guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making KrazyKAT's house special crispy chow mein. So this is what you're going to need. This is steamed chow mein. You can find this at the refrigerated section at your Asian grocery stores. Okay, so just look for them in the refrigerated section. Steamed chow mein. Okay, any brand's fine. All right. So what you want to do is take out of the package and kind of loosen them up a little bit. Just loosen them up like that. Okay. Okay, next up we're gonna deep fry the chow mein. Use a chopstick to check that your oil is hot enough. If it bubbles, if your chopstick bubbles, then the oil is ready, okay? Of course, make sure you use a wooden chopstick, guys. All right, so we're gonna take our chow mein and wrap them in. Okay. Gonna need something like this to scoop them out. I'm gonna deep fry it till it's crispy. Okay, it's just ready. You don't want to over fry it. Okay, and put it on a cookie sheet to let it cool down. Pick up the rest of this. Do another one. Doesn't take long to fry. Okay, ready. Just like that. Okay, guys? Looky here, guys. That's a lot, huh? This is the whole bag, so you don't have to fry up the whole bag. Just, fry it up whatever, how much you need. But yeah, this is the whole bag. Probably about 6 to 7 servings, okay? Deep fried, crispy chow mein. It's crispy. Yeah. Okay, so now this is ready for our toppings, our stir-fry toppings. Okay, next step, we're gonna make the stir-fry topping for it. You're gonna need some vegetables. Use any kind of vegetables that you have. Broccoli, asparagus, cauliflower, squash, zucchini, things like that will work. But I happen to have here celery, carrots, and this is gailan or mustard, green mustard, okay? And some cabbage. Now these vegetables, I lightly blanched it first, just because it's easier to cook once, when it's blanched, okay? So just boil some water, blanch it for about a minute, okay? And then you're also gonna need some shrimp and pork belly or side pork and some garlic, all right? Okay, so we're gonna throw in the side pork and the garlic. I'm not gonna add any oil because the side pork already has a lot of fat, okay? So we're gonna brown this. Okay, once the side pork, the pork belly starts to brown, you wanna go ahead and add in your shrimp. Add in as much or as little of any of these seasonings and ingredients. I'm pretty much eyeballing right now, so just add according to how much you're making, okay? We're gonna add some Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, okay? 1, 2, Okay, I'm gonna lower down the heat a little bit. Less sodium soy sauce, light soy sauce. 3. Okay, gonna add some bouillon, chicken bouillon. 1 tablespoon. MSG, 1 tablespoon. If you're not using MSG, add 2 tablespoons of the bouillon, okay? Black pepper, half a teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon white pepper. Okay, then we're gonna add in our vegetables. Oops, sorry guys, my camera was running out of space, so I had to stop. Anyways, I threw in my vegetables, my carrot, my celery, and the bouillon or green mustard. I'm gonna add some of my cabbage. This is gonna be a lot, guys, so that's good, I think. I still have a lot of cabbage left, but I'm not gonna use it. Okay? Good stir. Okay, and then I'm going to add some water because we want it like a gravy sauce. 1 cup of water here. And another cup. Let's see. Okay, actually I'm going to add another cup, so 3 cups total, because that's a lot of vegetables. Okay. And then we're going to make sure this comes to a boil, the water. So let's wait. Okay guys, once it starts to bubble or boil again, you're going to add in some cornstarch, okay, to thicken up the sauce. You want it like a gravy. Okay. More. You don't want to add all in at once because you might make it too thick. So just add a little at a time until it thickens. Maybe I might add too much water. It's not thick enough to how I want it. So I'm going to add a little bit more cornstarch, guys. So I used that for 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm going to add another teaspoon. Just mix it. So you're just mixing it with water. Okay. It's just almost as thick as I want. So there you go. And then you go ahead and taste. Whatever's missing, you can go ahead and add more soy sauce, bouillon, or MSG. Okay, guys? And that's it. This is ready. All right, guys. Let's assemble our crispy, deep-fried chow mein with our stir-fry sauce or gravy. that sauce. And voila. This is a complete meal, guys. It's got your vegetables, it's got your protein. So, what do you think? Does it look delicious? Okay, let me give you a try. Here's my fork. Okay. Delicioso. Wait, delicioso. I can't even say it. How do you say it in Spanish, honey? What? Delicioso? I think. Delicious, guys. All right, guys, gonna enjoy this. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. See you next time. Bye.